report something easier. It's a 48-year-old female. It says she had some kind of, she wasn't feeling well. She had some subtle, she felt very bad, very subtly, very unexpectedly 2 days ago. And now she got a brain CT scan that was done on a very old and oh crap. Oh, this is just brutal. This Monday is one of those, guys. See this and that? This is not a stroke. This is definitely not a stroke. This is not a proper arterial territory. This isn't even properly scanned. We have no contrast enhancement. This is a very, very old scanner. This is a very low quality scan. We have no contrast enhancement. We have no proper clinical history. Still, we have a lesion right here and at least 2 more lesions right here on the frontal lobes. This is most probably a case of secondary disease, metastatic disease, but we have no proper history. We have no proper images. This is a very poor scan, and we are just going to report it as we are seeing it, because there is a tiny calcification, but I couldn't just not say that this isn't a secondary disease. They just ignored the fact that the cerebellum didn't end here. Just is one of those scans we are so used to report. Right there. See, this is probably tumor surrounded by edema. There is probably something else here that I can't really tell. And of course, on the nucleocapsular region right there, there is another lesion right there. This isn't stroke. This can't be stroke really, because this isn't a proper vascular territory. I suppose it's just as soon as they do a proper exam on this patient, she is going to have a very, very scary conversation with her referring physician. I'm just going to report it and suggest they should get an MRI with contrast enhancement.